Hello children, welcome back again in our next session of computer class, and we were in chapter number 5, that is advanced features in MS Access. So till now, very important feature we have seen children of MS Access, that is the calculation part, right? And we have also seen the concept of master. So today we will see few more important features that are advanced features in MS Access. So let us begin. So first feature we are going to see today is filtering in database. So first you should understand children what is filtering. Today we will see filtering as well as sorting of data. So you should understand the difference between the filtering and sorting. So filtering is nothing but it is a way to see only the data which you want to see. Like suppose there are 35 students and you want to see how many of them have scored above 90% in exam. So that is called filtering children. And sorting is nothing but sorting like alphabetically A to Z, okay, higher order to lower order or lower order to higher order. So this is called the sorting. So filtering is the useful way to see only the data that you want to view or that we want to view in database. Plus filter option is used to view selected fields of a column. So as I said, example, or you can also if there is an corporate office, you can see which of the employees stay in Thane or in Mumbai or from Pune. So this is how different criteria you can give and you can filter the data. Or how many children are from 9th A, how many children are from class 12. So like this you can filter the data and you can view. So let us see the steps how to filter the data. So the first step is, now suppose you can see there is a database with the different fields, that is roll number, name, class, marks, address and grade. Okay, now here children, there is a drop down list. You can see here there is arrow on the top on the field name. You can see there is an arrow. I'll show you. Can you see here a small arrow? Okay, with every field children, different fields, there is an arrow. If you click, there will be a drop down list. So this is the list you will get. In that you can see here text filter. Okay, now why it is showing a text filter is because we have clicked on the field name. In name children, we take the data type as text, right? If you remember, these all, it is a text, so it is showing the text filter. If you go to the suppose marks or class, it will show you the number filter, which is the advanced filter option children. Okay, so this is, so these are the text filter children. Okay, so here if you see already all the this is the checkbox, it is tick mark, that is all, everything is selected here, right? Whatever names you can see, you will see. So when you once again click on this select all will be deselected. Okay, so the very first thing is click on the drop down list, that is whichever field you want to filter. Okay, suppose I want to see for the name I want to see the data of Ajay, Bhanu and Ankita. So I will tick mark only Ajay, Bhanu and Ankita. So first step, click on the drop down list of the field which you want to filter. Okay, deselect everything. Once you click here, everything will be deselected. It will look something like this. Once you click on select all, once again it all will be deselected. And the next step is now children, you have to select whichever name you want to see the data of whichever child. That is already I said, like Ajay, Bhanu and Nikita. So I will tick only for these three. Then what will happen? Other things will be vanished and only that three will be appeared, that three data you can see. So here it is very small data, but when there is a huge data children, so this is very useful feature of MS Access, that is filtering. So this is the next step. See, I have clicked on Ajay, Bhanu and Reena. Okay, so whichever you want to see the data of a child, that you should tick mark. Okay, and now click on the OK button which is there at the bottom, And once you do that, children, see, this is the way other things will be cleared. That is, it will vanish, and only the thing which you have clicked, that it will filter and show you the data of that particular children. That is Ajay, Bhanu and Reena. I can see now only 3: roll number, name, class, marks, address, grade, and so on. So this is how you can filter. Now the very next thing is how to again bring our data back, right? That is how to remove this filter. Okay, so can you see here one mark, children? That is, it is telling us, it is specifying this is a filter option. Okay, this is a filter mark. Okay, so next is what you can do is, in the home tab, this is a ribbon everybody knows, right? In the home tab, in the group sort and filter, there is an option here button, toggle filter. It is a toggle filter. So this toggle filter command is used to remove the filter. Okay, the data which we have filtered. So if we click on a toggle filter button or a command in the ribbon, in the home tab, in the group of sort and filter children, it will remove your filtered data and it will show you the previous, the whole data. So this is toggle filter is used to remove the filter. I hope that was clear. Now in that, as I said, this was a text filter. Now there is numeric filter also, which is known as advanced filter in datasheet. So you can see here the same content, roll number, name, same data, class, marks, address, grade, and whatever fields are there. So suppose I take a class field. Okay, so there are different class like 10th class, 12th class, 9th class, 8th class, or so on, right? So when I click on the drop down list, here you can see number filter, children. Why number filter? Because the data type in that particular field is number, not a text, right? So in number filter, when you click on the arrow, here are the different commands which you will see, that is equal, then does not equal, less than, greater than, between. Okay, so for the class I take suppose equal. Okay, so equal, when I click on the equal, this custom filter dialog box will appear. Now class equal to, now you have to enter the value, whether you have to see only the class 10 data, you have to see only class 12 data, or you have to see only class 8 data. Okay, so I have entered suppose 12 for example, right? It is present here, the class is only 10 and 12. So I want to see only the students data who are in class 12. So I will enter here 12 in this dialog box and I will press OK, and after that I will see this result. So I will see the name, there are only 3, that is Reena, Ankita and Nikita, which are from class 12 children. Okay, so this is how I have filtered my data on the basis of class 12 children. I hope that is clear now. So that was advanced feature. Less than, for marks you can use that command, that is less than, equal to, greater than. Okay. So this is how we can use the filter. Now next, very much important again, the next feature of MS Access is sorting. Sorting means arranging the data either in ascending order or descending order. There are 2 methods to sort the data, children. I'll show you both the methods. To remove the filter, click on toggle filter button. Similarly, to remove the sort, click on clear all sort commands. Where it is, again in the ribbon in the home tab, you will go in a sort and filter group. There you will see a clear all sort command. So let us see how to perform the sort feature. So suppose again this is the data we are having. Again, so this is the first method I am showing you, children. You will directly click on the, suppose I want to sort the names according to ascending order or descending order. So you will click on the drop down list here, the arrow, small arrow, which we have seen earlier. So this will appear again. Alright. Now here, children, you can see sort A to Z, sort Z to A. A to Z is ascending order, Z to A is descending order. So if I click Z to A, it should show me in descending order. That is, suppose it is A, R, N, B, V, A. So whichever in descending order the letter comes first, that data you will see first. and so on. So this is how the second method you will see, that is in the home tab. There is again here sort and filter. We have seen filter option. Here toggle filter, we have seen the button, right? So filter option, when you click, you will see that the options, that is the number filter or text filter. And here children, toggle filter, sorting data, there are three commands here, that is ascending order, descending order, and this is clear the sort. Okay, so when you click this, so click on the particular whichever field you want to sort. And now here we have taken address, so this I have clicked on ascending order. So when I click this, so this is the output, so C and then P, so that is the order it is, that is ascending order. And if you see, the other data is also according to that only. So this complete row is sorted according to the ascending order. So this was the next feature children, that is sorting. And when you have to, now this is a very important, that is the next one is importing the data. The last feature which we are going to study today is importing the data from other applications. Excel we are going to see. Okay, so here children, I would just briefly tell you about this. What is the importing means? Now importing means bringing something from other countries, right children? Similarly here, data is already present in some other application. Other application in the sense Excel. Okay, so in Excel, suppose your whole data is there, so you can directly import that data in Access. Okay, so here you can see in the ribbon there is a home tab. All right, and home tab, create external data. So you have to click on the external data, and in that you will see different groups like import, export, collect data, SharePoint list, and so on. So you have to go in a import. Okay, we are importing the data obviously, so from Excel. So when you click on the Excel, wherever your Excel data is there, that file you have to open children, and from that you have to import the data. So you have to just click on the steps whichever it will give on the screen, and next, and you have to end it, and then automatically your completely data will be transferred to the Access. So this is one of the important feature of MS Access, that is the advanced features. So in this chapter children, we have seen calculations, we have seen master table concept, we have seen filtering, sorting, which is very important again, and how to import the data. So here we have completed our chapter, that is advanced features of MS Access, and in the next session we'll continue with a new chapter. That's it children. Thank you so much.